All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present, as you can see, this beautiful 2018 Dodge Charger. It is the RT model, comes with a 5.7 HEMI engine, beautiful gray or silver with black interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, heated seats, heated steering, super nice. And best of all, minimum damage, only 19,000 miles on this vehicle. I left it on because I think those lights look freaking phenomenal. Bumper looks good, hood looks good, fender looks good, front driver's rim looks pretty good. Does have some curbing here, about 2 to 3 inches. Boom. Let's check out your tires, right? Which is, looks like over 730 seconds. We got that under set, just at the line of 730 seconds, so it's gonna be under. Doors look good, quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing, just a little bit over here, about 3 inches as well. Tire tread, under 730 seconds, above 4. Double checking it, that's right. Here's your rear, your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat with no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Here's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Right, got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls. As you can see, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, any issues except for airbag light on, and your mileage of 19,514. There it is, 19,514. Very nice. Keeping it moving, open up the trunk. Boom. Here is your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks fantastic. Does come with a rear armrest and cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your rear deck, trunk lid, trunk space looks phenomenal. You got a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right up there. Your deck lid, nice spoiler, looks great. Your passenger quarter looks nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. Does have some curbing, 3, 6, let's say about 6 inches. Let's check out your tire thread, which is under 430 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Got some curbing here. I'll say 10 or more to engulf that. Tire thread, under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Dodge Charger RT model with 19,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.